Hey, it's your boy Okina, and you may be wondering, why am I in the restroom? Well, I'll go ahead and let you know now. We're gonna go ahead and get ready for a spooky Halloween and redecorate this night costume. Thanks for sticking through that crappy intro. But, you may be thinking, hey, this costume ain't half bad, which it's not. But, we're gonna go ahead and make it better. I'm an adult, and I need to add some adult features to this costume. As you've seen Bud Light Night, I'm gonna be Lone Star Night. In no way, shape, or form is this video sponsored by Lone Star. I just love it so much. If Lone Star, if you're watching, hit your boy up with a text or something. I'd like to drink y'all's beer for money. I went ahead and bought Lone Star for this special occasion. Just kidding, I buy it all the time. I'm gonna go ahead and drink a few of these while working on it. I just need this logo right here. We're gonna need a box cutter to cut out that logo, and then we're gonna need some bug spray. To be honest, we're in Texas, and these mosquitoes suck harder than a cactus pool girl hitting puberty. There's that knife, and... And there's that bug spray. We're gonna go ahead and put on our bug spray first. Lay it on thick. Lay it on like you just got the money shot. For those who don't know what that means, go ahead and look it up. Cut out our damn logo. Don't need it pretty perfect, boys and girls. We're just gonna use it as a stencil. Oh no! Oh. Alright, took a while, but I think I got it. So I went ahead and cut out the words and the little star part right there. I'm not gonna cut out the beard part. Everybody's gonna know what it is anyways. Hey, it's not perfect, but it turned out pretty damn good. I'm gonna go ahead and probably put some stars at the bottom or something. And yeah, the back is pretty much there. So what you saw there was me using a star as a stencil. So basically, I just got the remnants of that star that I cut out over there, and I sprayed it with spray paint on top, like really thick, and then bloop, plopped it on. You have to do it every other time because the fabric does soak it up a lot. But other than that, I'm done with that star. Now the hardest part, just kidding, is to go ahead and drink this nice cold Lone Star. I'm gonna go ahead and make a belt buckle out of this metal part, as well as the two metal parts that go around my neck with the chain. They're gonna be Lone Star as well. Apartment complex. Dude, time to get home and test out the costume. Tonight's the night. It's your boy Okina. Oh fuck. Back home. Just woke up. But the final touches are just this top. We're putting them on the shoulders. Alright, and that's it. The costume will be done. Well, there you have it. The final product. Yeah. I am Lone Star Knight. Alright, it's your boy Okina. Go ahead and check me out on my other videos. Subscribe. And make sure to like this video. Leave a comment down below. Tell me Halloween. Happy Halloween or something. I know it's a very simple build, but it's very nice for Halloween. I made a little cutout here for my phone later on. So I can put it in there, take it out, and not too bad. Got the little crest up here. It's gonna be a fun night. And it's your boy Okina. I'll see you on the next video.
Oh, and is it broken? It's like a snake.
You're right in there.